Intermittent fasting isn't just another diet trend, it's a lifestyle strategy that has gained massive popularity for a reason. With roots in ancient practices and a growing body of scientific support, intermittent fasting is changing how people think about eating, metabolism, and even aging. But if you're new to this world, the sheer variety of fasting methods, rules, and benefits can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we're breaking down the fundamentals of intermittent fasting in the simplest way possible. Whether you're aiming for fat loss, more energy, or better digestion, understanding the basics can help you make the most of this powerful approach. We'll walk you through what intermittent fasting is, how it works, the most popular methods, and what science says about its benefits. Plus, we'll address common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. So if you're ready to reset your relationship with food and unlock a more sustainable approach to health, this beginner's guide is for you. Let's dive in. 1. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is not about what you eat, it's about when you eat. It's a pattern of eating that alternates between periods of fasting, not eating, and eating. Unlike traditional diets that restrict calories or specific food groups, it focuses more on timing. During fasting periods, you typically consume 0 or minimal calories, allowing your body to tap into fat stores for energy. The goal isn't to starve yourself but to allow your body time to repair, reset hormones, and improve metabolic function. Intermittent fasting taps into your body's natural rhythms and can be adjusted to fit your lifestyle, whether you're an early riser or night owl. It's important to understand that intermittent fasting doesn't mean you're skipping nutrients. It simply compresses your eating window into a set number of hours. For example, someone might eat between noon and 8 p.m. and fast the other 16 hours. This approach can result in better insulin sensitivity, weight management, and cellular repair, especially when paired with nutrient-dense meals. 2. Popular intermittent fasting methods. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to intermittent fasting. The method you choose should align with your daily schedule, health goals, and comfort level. The most popular and beginner-friendly method is the 16/8, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Then there's the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories, around 500 to 600, on 2 non-consecutive days. Another option is alternate day fasting, which is more intense and involves fasting every other day. For those who prefer structure, the Eat-Stop-Eat method involves a full 24-hour fast once or twice a week. OMAD, 1 meal a day, is more advanced and is exactly what it sounds like. You eat just once a day. Beginners should start slow, maybe trying a 12/12 approach, and gradually extend their fasting window. The best method is the one that fits your lifestyle and allows consistency. Flexibility and personal comfort play a huge role in long-term success. 3. How fasting affects your body. During fasting, a number of amazing things happen inside your body. Insulin levels drop, allowing your body to burn stored fat more effectively. Human growth hormone, HGH, levels increase, which helps in fat burning and muscle preservation. Your body also initiates cellular repair processes like autophagy, where cells remove damaged components and regenerate more efficiently. This can improve longevity and reduce the risk of diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. Additionally, it can stabilize blood sugar, lower inflammation, and improve mental clarity. Many people report sharper focus and better mood while fasting. Fasting shifts the body from using glucose to using fat for fuel, which is why many people experience fat loss without feeling overly restricted. The longer you fast, the more your body switches to using ketones, an efficient energy source derived from fat. 4. Benefits of intermittent fasting. The benefits of intermittent fasting go way beyond just weight loss. While fat burning is a major advantage, many people notice reduced bloating, increased energy, and even better skin. Fasting improves hormone function, reduces oxidative stress, and enhances brain function by supporting neurogenesis, the growth of new neurons. Studies also show it can improve heart health by reducing blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. In addition, fasting may help balance hormones like insulin and leptin, which play major roles in appetite control and fat storage. For women, It may improve hormonal cycles if done correctly and not excessively. Some even report improved sleep and reduced cravings as their body adjusts to a healthier metabolic rhythm. All of these contribute to an improved quality of life and a more balanced approach to health. 5. Common mistakes to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is overeating during the eating window or binging on junk food. Remember, intermittent fasting isn't a free pass to eat whatever you want. What you eat during your feeding window matters just as much as when you eat. Stick to whole, nutrient-dense foods to truly experience the benefits. Another common mistake is not staying hydrated. Fasting doesn't mean avoiding fluids. Water, herbal teas, and black coffee are all great options during your fast. Some people also jump into longer fasts too quickly, leading to fatigue, headaches, and irritability. It's important to listen to your body and ease into longer fasting periods over time. Another mistake? Not getting enough sleep. Quality rest is essential for hormone regulation and energy during fasting. Avoid extreme approaches. Sustainability is key. 6. What to eat during your eating window. The quality of food during your eating window can make or break your success with intermittent fasting. Aim for high-quality protein like chicken, fish, eggs, or legumes. Combine that with fiber-rich veggies, healthy fats like avocado and olive oil, and complex carbs such as quinoa or sweet potatoes. This mix supports stable blood sugar levels and keeps you satisfied longer. Avoid processed foods, refined sugars, and excessive caffeine, as they can trigger cravings and energy crashes. Make each meal count by focusing on balance. Your body needs nourishment to thrive. Smoothies, salads, and stir-fry bowls packed with colorful veggies and protein are great choices. Also, try to include magnesium, potassium, and other essential minerals through leafy greens or supplements to support energy and hydration during fasts. 7. Who should avoid intermittent fasting? While intermittent fasting has many benefits, it's not for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with a history of eating disorders, or those with certain medical conditions like diabetes or low blood pressure should consult a doctor before starting it. Fasting may also not be suitable for athletes or people with high physical demands unless carefully managed. Women should also be cautious. Some may find that aggressive fasting disrupts their hormonal balance. It's important to monitor how your body responds and to take a break if symptoms like fatigue, hair loss, or missed periods arise. Personalization is key. If it causes more stress than benefit, it might not be the right fit, and that's okay. 8. How to start intermittent fasting the right way. Start slow. You don't have to jump into a 16-hour fast on day 1. Begin with a 12/12 schedule and gradually increase the fasting window as your body adapts. Stay hydrated and make sure your meals are nutrient-dense and satisfying. If you start to feel dizzy or overly tired, reduce your fasting period or consult a health professional. Pay attention to your body's signals. Using tools like fasting apps, setting a schedule, and preparing meals ahead of time can make the process easier. Be patient. Intermittent fasting is a long-term strategy, not a quick fix. Give your body a few weeks to adjust, and track how you feel physically and mentally. 9. Combining it with other healthy habits. Intermittent fasting works best when paired with other healthy habits. Exercise during or just before your eating window to maximize fat burn and muscle gain. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to allow your body to recover and keep hunger hormones balanced. Reduce stress through meditation, journaling, or gentle stretching to support your nervous system. Also, avoid late-night snacking and limit screen time before bed. Staying mindful of your lifestyle choices while practicing it amplifies the benefits and leads to a more holistic health transformation. It's not just about fasting, it's about supporting your body from every angle. 10. Is intermittent fasting right for you? Only you can decide if intermittent fasting fits your lifestyle and goals. It's a flexible, adaptable approach that can offer incredible health rewards, but it must be done mindfully and sustainably. Take time to understand your body, test different fasting windows, and keep track of your energy, mood, and results. If it feels restrictive or leads to fatigue, it might not be the best fit right now. There's no magic bullet when it comes to health, but intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool when used properly. Focus on progress, not perfection, and find a rhythm that supports your life rather than controls it. Remember, consistency, nourishment, and patience are the keys to success. And there you have it, your complete beginner's guide to intermittent fasting. Whether you're exploring it for fat loss, mental clarity, or long-term health, starting with the right mindset and habits is crucial. Take your time, listen to your body, and don't forget, health is a journey, not a race. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more powerful health tips, and check out the link below for a product that supports your fasting journey.